Hey everyone, today let's take a closer look at this wireless Rebluum doorbell with camera. It's got an external chime. The whole thing is totally wireless. On the front of the box here, you can see it comes with a rechargeable wireless doorbell camera and wireless chime box that you can put anywhere in your home. This unit has a 2K Ultra HD camera, anti-theft alarm, two-way talking, it has cloud storage and local storage, it's 100% wireless, and it has advanced AI for human detection. If you're worried about the weather, it has IP65 waterproof rating, and you can share the device with your family. To run the device, you can download the free app from the iOS or Android store. Just scan the QR code on the back of the box for a quick setup. And on the other side, it shows you what comes in the box. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a closer look. Inside the box, you'll find the instructions and a security sticker, a sticker to help mount the unit level at your door, a modern looking door chime that is rechargeable via USB-C, or you can use the 3 included AAA batteries to power the unit. The chime also has various different sounds to choose from, so you can pick one that you like. There's also a button on the side, so you can choose from various different volume levels. In the box, you'll also find a short USB-A to USB-C charge cable for charging both the chime and the doorbell, a set of mounting screws and plugs for the installation, specialized screwdrivers for mounting the unit and removing it from the backplate, as well as adhesive stickers if you would rather mount the unit using two-sided tape instead of using the screws. Now here's the unit itself. Let's peel off the protective sticker. The doorbell has a 2K camera here at the top with the Rebluum logo in the middle, a large push button to ring the chime, and this unit feels fairly heavy duty and it's got a nice sleek look to it. The mounting plate comes attached to the unit, so you will need to remove that for installation. And on the side, you'll find a rubberized cover, and once removed, you'll see a slot for an extra micro SD card for additional storage, the reset button, as well as the USB-C charging port. Now setup was a breeze. Just scan the included QR code with your phone and it'll open up right to the app in your app store, and you can download and install that for free. Once you've got the app open, just create your free account and you can easily connect to your new doorbell. Rebluum has a video available online if you're wanting to watch that for additional setup instructions. Once the device is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network, you can easily select the video quality from SD, FHD, or Auto, take screenshots, use the intercom, or make recordings from the camera. You can also choose from other settings which include motion detection and tamper alarm. This doorbell does not require a subscription to use, however, premium plans are available if you're looking for extra features. All in all, this Rebluum wireless doorbell seems to be well built with a lot of included features. It's easy to set up and it's got totally wireless operation, which is great if you don't have a pre-wired doorbell connection available. It looks sleek and yet it's fairly small, so it doesn't stand out. So if you're looking for a wireless doorbell setup with a camera, this unit would be a great option that comes at an affordable price.